I've been studying productivity for the last 15 years, and in that time I have built a system that is perfectly tailored to my needs and the way that I like to work. The thing that helped me the most when building this system was meeting a couple of other productivity enthusiasts who were also building a productivity system. In my first job out of college, there were a couple of other coworkers who were also interested in productivity. We started talking about the different tools that we had tried, the different processes we had tried. We started sharing with each other the ideas that we had in order to be able to make a perfect system for us. We weren't telling each other what to do, but we were brainstorming ideas with each other to help each other and ourselves. Because of this kind of pseudo mastermind group that we had going on, we were able to make so much progress in getting systems in place that helped us to be as efficient as we possibly could. It's this collaboration that I had with these coworkers of mine that helped me to formulate the framework that I talked about in the previous video first. And now, thanks to them, I have a framework that I can follow and fall back on when I need to make changes and progress on my productivity system. I am still friends with these coworkers to this day, and we still share ideas and brainstorming with each other. It's this collaboration with these coworkers, with these now lifelong friends, that I want to be able to help facilitate for others to have as well. That is why I am creating a productivity-centered community called Productivity Pals. It is a place where people can get together and meet with one another and brainstorm ideas on how to build a productivity system. It's also a place where there will be live events, live brainstorming sessions, live mastermind groups. It's also a place where I can help coach people on getting started building their own productivity system and teaching them how they can go from figuring out their purpose behind their system all the way to a working, efficient system that helps them to live a more productive and better life. This community is launching very soon, and I want you to be a part of it. The first week of this community being open is going to be Founders Week. Anybody who joins the community during this week will become a founding member of this community. As a founder, you will have access to an exclusive founders space. This space will feature a special mastermind group where you will not only be able to get advice on your productivity system, but then you can also help me to build this community and shape it into something that will be useful to so many people. You will also receive a discount on your first year's membership by being a founding member. Apart from the founder space, general membership of the community will have access to different spaces for specific tools. There will be an Obsidian space, a Notion space, most likely a bullet journal space, and sketchnoting space. If you don't see a space for the tool that you like to use, you can also make suggestions on what spaces you would like to see. Being able to find like-minded people to help build our productivity systems is the best way, most efficient way to create a perfect productivity system. So please come join me and help me to build a place where we can learn from one another and help each other live more productive and better lives. I'll be sharing a post when the community door is open, so please either subscribe here on YouTube or sign up for my mailing list in the description below. This founding member deal will only be available for a limited time. So if you want to be able to join the community at a discounted rate and be included in these special groups, please don't hesitate. Thank you so much for becoming part of my productivity journey, and I will see you in the community.